Alrighty, y'all, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the LaCie Porsche Design mobile external hard drive. Pretty solid hard drive, I'd have to say overall. I have tons of hard drives that I use because I work with a lot of different files and a lot of different big files, and I like to keep stuff backed up too. Hard drives crash. I've been through it before, and it's been pretty horrible. So I'm very, very careful, very cautious now. I only like to buy some of the best, hard drives that I can find out on the market. Which, I found this one ago. I really, really dig it. It's a great, great little hard drive. It can actually do quite a bit. It works just as well as a lot of the other hard drives that I have. It's pretty. The one thing that you'll notice right off the bat is it's pretty lightweight. It's I think like just about 6 ounces. It's cased in this really, really nice like brushed aluminum material. Feels very similar to maybe like a MacBook, although maybe just a little bit more raised. It's almost like you can feel the grain of the brush. Or feel that movement, that brush movement. So it's interesting. It is very, very, very sturdy though, and it was designed by Porsche. That's basically why they call it that. So that's I guess where the name comes from. This one specifically utilizes the USB 3.0. I know they've come out with versions that also do USB-C now. Although, yeah, this one's just a little more old school. I still use USB 3.0 quite a bit. It's really great. It's very it's fast enough to do a lot of projects that I work with. Plus, I use this one more as a backup, so it works that way. One thing I will say is that the edges are pretty sharp on this thing, so it is something that you may want to be careful with. Because you don't have any sort of rounded edges or protection on there, and so grab it in the wrong way and it could actually like hurt. It weirdly is like very, very sharp, which is kind of strange. That being said though, that sharpness I guess helps it to fit into any spaces, which makes it very portable compared to most hard drives that I've used. As for the actual speed of this thing, it's pretty much what you would expect from a good mechanical hard drive. USB 3.0 gives really, really good transfers in theory, but there's no law of physics altering here. I mean, it's pretty much what you get. I mean, SSDs can reach much, much faster speeds. However, they cost a lot more. So for the category that this is in, it's the speed is pretty reasonable, I'll have to say. The USB-C I think does actually make quite a difference, as well as the USB 3.0 though when you compare it to 2.0. The one thing that I do love about this is it does come with backup software, and this is present in a lot of like LaCie software. So you can set it up with your Windows computer, with your Mac computer. I've done it with my Mac, so I don't really know exactly how the Windows thing works. But essentially, you partition your drive, and decide how much space you want to use and how much space you want to work with. It's it's a really, really nice, kind of easy to use software that's really nice. Helps you kind of just back everything up. What I will say is that I did get a discount on this, and so otherwise I probably wouldn't have got it. It's just kind of expensive for what it is, which it just seems kind of ridiculous. It is very nice looking, very nice modern looking. So if that's what you're into and you want your hard drive to look nice, I would say go for it, because it is kind of one of a kind in that regard. But when it comes to the actual practicality of it, it's not the craziest thing in the world. And so I would I would have to say maybe like a 6 out of 10 in terms of, I guess, if there were a scale. Otherwise, yeah, this is it. It's a LaCie Porsche Design hard drive, and check it out. Alrighty, y'all, take it easy.